Hey guys, welcome to my C++ series. In this series, I'm going to be teaching you how to program in C++. If you're here, you probably know what C++ is, but for those of you who don't, C++ is a programming language that you can use to make programs on your computer. So first, you're going to need to download an IDE and a compiler. An IDE is short for Integrated Development Environment, which is where you're going to be writing your code. The compiler is something that's going to take your code and turn it into zeros and ones, because your computer only understands zeros and ones. So let's get started. First, you're going to need to go to Google and type in Codeblocks. And here it is, the first link here. You can go ahead and click on it. And don't worry if you don't find this website, I'm going to be putting this link in the description. So now you can go to Downloads. And remember, click on the binary release. Now you can go ahead and click on whichever OS you have. I have Windows, so I'm going to be clicking on Windows. And download the Codeblocks mingw setup.exe. Don't worry if this number is different when you're watching this, because there might be a new version out. But remember, download the mingw setup.exe. This will include both our IDE and the compiler. So go ahead and click on one of the download links. Here it is. You can go ahead and click save and download it, but I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. I'm just going to click cancel. After you've downloaded it, you can go ahead and install it, and if you've installed it properly, this is what you should get. So now we're just going to make a small program to see if our compiler is working properly. So go ahead and click File, New, Empty File, and you can go File, Save File As, and just save it. Yes, you guys are gonna find out later that why you really need to save it. So now we're just gonna make a small program just to see if our compiler is working properly. So we're gonna write include IOStream. This will include the library IOStream, and it will which includes some of this commands we need, like cout, using names. Sorry, I can't type today properly. Namespace standard. This will let us use some of the standard features in IOStream. And don't forget the semicolon in the end, or else your compiler is going to give you an error. Then integer main. And inside here, we're going to be writing our main code. Right now, we're just going to see out something really simple. Maybe a simple hello world. Let's just end the line. And again, don't forget the semicolon in the end, or else your compiler is going to give you an error. And now you can press build and run or F9 on your keyboard. Uh-oh, it's giving us an error. Okay, I get it. It's supposed to be E and L. That's a typo. And we saved it as a .c file, and we're programming in C++, so it has to be saved as a .c++ file. So go ahead and go on file, save file as again, and right here just save it as a .cpp. Click save. Yes, and press F9 again. And here it is. You have your first program. It says hello world, process return 0, execution time, and press any key to continue. If you press anything, it'll exit the program. So now I'm just going to walk you through what we did today. We included the IOStream library, which let us use cout, and using namespace standard, this gave us access to cout. And remember, don't forget the semicolon, integer main. Inside here we wrote our main code, and I don't know if you can see this, but these two are curly braces. And then wow, we counted something really simple, hello world, and then we ended the line. And again, don't forget the semicolon in the end. Okay guys, that's it for now, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.